Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what is commercial roof recovery and is it a cost-effective solution? You're probably wondering what roof recovery is. It's basically just installing another roof system over what you already have, as opposed to removing an entire roof system, pay for it to get transported to a landfill, it's bad for the environment, and then installing a new system. Certainly, roof recovery is a lot more cost-effective than installing a new roof. And then you're probably wondering, what roof recovery options do you have? Two of the most popular ones that are floating around nowadays are spray foam roofing and silicone roof coating systems. Certainly if you click on one of the links in the blog post, there'll be more details about each system, pros and cons, how much they cost, all that good stuff. But what are a few good examples of each system? In the blog post we talk about Mesa Mesa. It's a developmental disability center in Geauga County, where they were getting proposals about the roof, and all these contractors were proposing, hey, we're going to rip this whole thing off and give you a new roof system. But they had a certain budget and no one would come even close to what they budgeted for the roof. But they heard from West Roofing and learned about spray foam roofing a little bit and learned that they didn't have to rip off the whole roof, just remove the areas of the roof that are saturated with water. And doing that, it's a big cost savings, and doing spray foam let it come under budget and get them the length of warranty that they desired. So if that's anywhere the type of roof that you have, look into it. It might be a good cost-effective option for you. And another case study that we talk about in the blog post is Midview High School in Grafton, I believe. They have a single ply roof. It had a little bit of leaking. The seams were losing adhesion a little bit, but the lifespan of the roof would probably last 3 to 4 more years. Then they'd be forced to rip the entire roof off. They have a new school being built in 11 years, so they're looking at, what's the cost-effective way I can get to that year 11, so we can just abandon this place and go to the new roof or the new building. But repairing what's already there a little bit and then putting coating over the roof will get them that 11-year warranty. Definitely more cost-effective than doing nothing for 3 to 4 years, being forced to rip everything off and then install a new roof system. Just not cost-effective for what they were trying to do. So you think roof recovery is probably always a good cost-effective option, but sometimes it's not. If the current roof is just really, really old, maybe there's seams on there that have lost adhesion and have let a bunch of water come in there and saturate the insulation on the roof, it's probably not a good idea. But usually the cutoff is about 25%. After doing a visual inspection and pulling core samples and doing a thermal inspection, the roof has more than 25% saturation. It's more than likely cost-effective and just a better long-term solution to rip everything off and start over. But if you're under 25%, you can cost-effectively recover the roof, and you can do it with the two systems we talked about today. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something new. For more information on anything we talked about today, there's a link in the blog post for more details. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.